Hello, my name is Dr. Wall. Passing the boards is a grueling process, but the rewards are certainly worth the effort. My programs are very successful in guiding physicians through this process. Let me tell you how we can make you successful. My philosophy and how to pass the board exams is really relatively simple. The way you build strong muscles is by lifting weights. The way you learn how to run distances is by practicing running distances. The way you learn how to pass a written exam is by taking practice written examinations where you go through the right and wrong answers. In regard to the oral examination, the way you learn how to pass an oral is by having someone ask you questions and having to respond to those questions. A lecture course where you sit in a classroom does very little to prepare you for this oral and written board examination process. We have a program that will meet your individual needs. In regard to the written examination, we have home study, we have webinars, we have private tutoring, we have courses, and we have the extremely valuable must-pass study camps. It would be my recommendation that you look through our website and you find out which method you will learn the best from, whether it is tutoring, whether it's attending courses, whether it's online webinar courses, or whether it's self-study through the home study. We will try and help you accomplish your goal of board certification.